Direct from Switzerland, the Auto Channel presents exclusive press pass coverage of the Geneva International Motor Show.
This time we focused on exterior parts to make them light. So this finally is an engineering solution for lightweight production. And if you look to the leaf is built by fine skeleton structures which is covered by a thin skin, right? And to transfer this solution into our car, we are very happy about 3D printing because we can rebuild and recreate and produce skeleton structures like that. So we have here 45 parts which are printed within 1 week. Well, with 3D printing you can really produce everything. So you don't need to respect any intersection of tooling and big investments of tooling. You just have something in mind, you have to make the data and then go printing. Well, of course, this is not really a solution for serious production. But for high-performance cars, you can use it right now. What we show is kind of revolution in car engineering, because we firstly disconnected the skin with the structure underneath. And then you have a lot of freedom together with 3D printing to make really different cars to engineer in the future. Well, our shell is printed. And on top of our shell we have a fabric material which is weather resistant, water resistant, and really high-tech material. It's come from outdoor clothing. Now the idea is to have sustainability in our future products. So we are using only material where it's needed. If not, we take it away. And that's the idea of Bionic, right? This is our intention, right? To show what is possible, to push the industry to go further with this technology and go further with bionical thinking, right?
Thanks for watching the Auto Channel. For more great coverage of all major motor events, visit theautochannel.com, the internet's most complete and comprehensive automotive resource.